Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, you should click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. We put the link in the comment section. So, let's see what you'll be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY. Let's start with the trend. Clearly, this is an uptrend move. That is our trend, which is a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. When you take a look at what market did here, when market gave us our higher low, it tapped our trend line, eventually pushed up and gave us a new higher high, which took out this previous high. So this is the new higher high. And here comes the higher low. Now that we've gotten this higher low, market is about to form a new higher high. So we should be expecting a bullish move till it eventually form and break out of this. Hereby, we should be expecting a new higher high on Swiss franc JPY. So a setup on Swiss franc JPY should be a buy. If there will be any changes, I'll make sure you guys get to know. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates.